Hello to all the pharmacy, medical, paramedical and life science students and dear career aspirants. Welcome to the Clinozol YouTube learning channel. To learn more information topics from us and for notifications on upcoming posts, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. What you can learn here. You can learn about Clinozol's live events, courses and career scope, opportunities, many innovative programs by the Clinozol Student Forum. In today's video, we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, that is scope of PharmD in clinical research. On an initial note, let's first discuss regarding PharmD. PharmD course is a professional pharmacy doctoral program of 6 years duration after 10+2 with a science stream, which includes 5 years of academic study plus 1 year of internship. B.Pharm graduates also can grab an opportunity to get admitted into PharmD as a lateral entry, which is termed as PharmD Post-Baccalaureate course with 3 academic years, that is 2 years of study and 1 year of internship. PharmD program emphasizes hospital and clinical pharmacy, community pharmacy, clinical research, regulatory affairs, formulation development, quality control, which makes it different from regular life science courses. PharmD students have a choice to choose various streams as their career option, but today we will be able to know why a PharmD student should opt clinical research as their career option beyond other opportunities. Let's know in brief about clinical research and the process involved in it. Clinical research refers to all research studies carried out on human volunteers which focuses on diseases, developing diagnostic methods, new treatments or devices to ensure better patient care. Clinical research studies can be observational or interventional studies. Observational studies improve the knowledge of disease and its evolution over time, and these are carried out within the framework of the patient's follow-up. Interventional studies, commonly termed as clinical trials, provides sound knowledge and evidence of the efficacy and safety of a new drug, new diagnostic device or new management in the context of an illness. Now we will learn about the research and development process involved in clinical research. The research and development process involves two studies, that is preclinical studies and clinical studies. Preclinical study is termed as discovery phase, where toxicology, safety studies are conducted on various types of animals. If the preclinical studies show satisfactory result, an investigational new drug application is filed to the regulatory body to conduct clinical trials on humans. Clinical studies includes 4 phases. In phase 1 studies, human pharmacology studies are conducted on 50 to 150 healthy human volunteers. In phase 2 studies, dose exploratory studies are conducted on 100 to 200 patients. In phase 3 studies, comparative studies are conducted in large number of patients. If phase 3 studies have satisfactory results, then a new drug application is filed to regulatory body to acquire permission to market the new drug. Once the NDA application is approved, phase 4 studies, commonly termed as post-marketing surveillance, is done. On another note, why to opt clinical research as a career option after PharmD? Some of the researchers have stated that based on history, what PharmDs can do in research is really limitless. According to Douglas, a pharmacist at National Cancer Institute Center for Cancer Research, individuals trained in pharmacy are in the perfect position to bridge the gap between the flood of genomic information becoming available and the goal of personalized medicine. What's new that a PharmD graduate can go into the research is to have an actual pathway to get trained to get into the research field. For most pharmacy students, however, experience and training in clinical research comes from a postgraduate fellowship. These typically are 1 to 2 year training programs following completion of a PharmD that can open the door to positions in industry or academic research. Some programs allow fellows to rotate through several departments, whereas others offer intensive training in one area such as regulatory affairs or drug labeling. Domains where PharmDs can be hired. Professional training on the following topics is required for a PharmD student to opt clinical research as a career option. These are clinical research, clinical data management, pharmacovigilance, medical writing, regulatory affairs, clinical SAS, trial master file. Now, let us discuss about the job roles in clinical research field with their relevant experience. Clinical research coordinator, commonly known as investigator. This role requires 0 to 2 years of clinical trial experience. Clinical research associate. This role requires 1 to 6 years of relevant experience. Clinical trial site manager requires 3 to 6 years of relevant experience. Programming manager requires 1 to 6 years of relevant experience. Clinical project manager requires 1 to 5 years of relevant experience. Clinical data manager requires 8 to 11 years of relevant experience. Clinical operations department requires 3 to 5 years of relevant experience. Drug regulatory officer requires 1 to 5 years of relevant experience. Medical marketing research requires 8 to 10 years of relevant experience. Project management team requires 5 to 8 years of relevant experience. Medical coding team requires 0 to 1 year of relevant experience. Medical writer or medical advisor requires 0 to 3 years of relevant experience. Preview reporting requires 0 to 1 year of relevant experience. Biostatistician requires 5 to 6 years of relevant experience. Regulatory affairs manager requires 6 to 9 years of relevant experience. Drug safety associate requires 1 to 5 years of relevant experience. Clinical trial auditor requires 2 to 5 years of relevant experience. Certifications. A PharmD student who choose the clinical research as a career option should get awarded with the following certifications, as these certification demonstrates that the proof of knowledge of the regulations and guidelines and how they are applied, commitment to a high quality standard in the quality assurance industry, and also helps in personal professional growth and achievement. CCRC credential. The Certified Clinical Research Coordinator credential is awarded to clinical research coordinator who has met the eligibility criteria with job related skills and should pass the standard CCRC certification exam. Prerequisites required for this credential. Applicant must attest to have 3000 hours of professional experience along with 40 hours of training regarding detailed content outline of clinical research, good clinical practice, ethical considerations, product development, data management, along with study and site management. Eligibility for this credential: bachelor's degree, master's degree, registered nurse, medical assistant, research assistant are eligible for this credential. CCRA credential. The Certified Clinical Research Associate credential is awarded to a clinical research associate who has met the eligibility criteria along with job related skills and should have passed the standard CCRA certification exam. Prerequisites required for this credential: applicant must attest to have 3000 hours of professional experience along with 40 hours of training regarding detailed content outline of clinical research associate duties and responsibilities, good clinical practice, ethical considerations, product development, data management, along with study and site management. Eligibility for this credential: graduation in pharma or medical or biomedical or biotechnology or microbiology with bachelor's degree or equivalent qualification is required. CCDM credential. The Certified Clinical Data Manager credential is awarded to credible, trained, qualified professionals in data management and should have passed the standard CCDM certification exam. Prerequisites required for this credential: applicant must attest to have professional training on detailed content outline of clinical data management along with 2 or 3 years of full-time experience of clinical data management. Eligibility required for this credential: bachelor's degree or higher with 2 years of full-time CDM experience, associate degree with 3 years of full-time CDM experience, or 4 or more years of full-time CDM experience. Now, let's see the growth in clinical research field from past 10 years. In 2008, there were only 41 clinical trials conducted, but the number has increased to an immense level as the years passed. Now in 2020, 40,675 clinical trials were being conducted. Leading contract research organization companies hiring PharmDs. They are IQVIA, Covance, PSI, Parexel, Medpace, Clintech, Icon, KCR, PPD, PRA Health Sciences. Top 10 pharma companies in India hiring PharmDs. Sun Pharmaceuticals, Dr. Reddy's, Divi's Laboratories, Cipla, Biocon, Aurobindo, Torrent Pharma, Lupin Pharmaceuticals, Cadila Pharmaceuticals, Abbott. This is only a brief description of scope of PharmD in clinical research. There is way much to know about this field. Clinosol. Clinosol is one of the best institute to train life science students in clinical research field. Now in the coming slides, we will know why Clinosol is the only best institute to train students in clinical research field. Because of highly skilled, certified and dedicated faculty with over 15 plus years of industry experience in various areas of clinical research and healthcare. Updated course content with practical learning approaches makes the learning filled with fun and a great experience of learning and memorizing things with practical implementation of the subject learnt during the sessions. Vast number of courses to choose from and to have a multi-domain course combination which is tailor-made to cope up with the industry competencies. Affordable fee structure with quality learning. Regular weekly assessments to test oneself where they are standing at their skill levels. Complementary courses to give overall 360-degree completeness to a perfect job seeker's profile. Interactive online sessions to cut down the traveling time and additional expenses and gives a choice of taking classes at different timings based on the personal availability. 1 year course validation enhances the students to take multiple sessions of the same topic for absenteeism coverage and better understanding of the topics. Round the clock support by the faculty and counseling provides additional confidence building and encouragement to participate in different events designed gives calculated readiness for interviews. Strict implementation of learning strategies via verbal, written and expressive means through article, blog, magazine columns, presentations and designing various quiz and brain teasers, etc. makes the learning process so enjoyable as well as brings out the fear and lack of self-confidence. Writing your ideas, blogs, columns are really easy with the guidance of Clinosol's faculty and can be posted absolutely free on the student's own name in CS Chronicle, Clinosol's quarterly magazine, Clinosol Blogspot, a free space to write your thoughts about an innovative technical topic. Clinosol's dedicated job groups provides all the updated career information along with internship opportunities to gain the real world working exposure during in-house training is the best way to understand and deal wisely with the upcoming work challenges. Every live event of Clinosol will provide an opportunity to interact with the industry experts from across the world in pharma, IT and healthcare and learn from their experiences and expertise advices on how to build a better career. Courses offered in Clinosol: Clinical Research, Clinical Data Management, Pharmacovigilance, Clinical SAS, Regulatory Affairs, Medical Writing, Electronic Trial Master File, Artificial Intelligence, along with complementary courses such as Communication Skills, Aptitude, Excel, Pharmacology, CV Writing. On an end note, thank you for the attention. Please write your genuine queries in the comment section below and also share your views on this video in the contact details provided in the description box and send us. Our team will get back to you soon.